What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Hopefully you can hear me. And today myself and Zoe have come to Wern Ddu Quarry in Wales to check out this place. Zoe's still on the WR250F 2004 model. We're hopefully going to look at getting her a Bates X trainer, just because they're naturally smaller frame, smaller seat height, and just gives her that little bit more confidence. At the minute, because she can barely touch the floor on either side, she just feels like she hasn't got control of the bike, which is understandable, no one likes that. We're just out here warming up, getting her back on the road, on the dirt. She hasn't been on the dirt too often. Today's about having fun, getting some practice in, and getting Zoe back on the dirt. I'm still learning with everything towards dirt. I'm not very good, I'm not the best person to teach her. She has done a ladies' day, which really helped her, grew her confidence. Now she just needs to get more seat time, and hopefully another ladies' day next year. So much easier to ride enduro style on this over that Yamaha that I used to have. Really glad that I got it, and for once I don't actually want to change the bike I've got. Oh. How you doing? Good. What do you want to do? You want to go on the green route? So to start with, we're just going to be hitting these green routes, nice and easy, nice and steady. This is the problem. The bike's too big for her. Any form is a slant, and the bike starts going to the right hand side, just like there, and I dropped it. It's gone to the right hand side. You haven't got an extra 2 foot. Doing really well there. As always, the camera does absolutely no justice to the steepness of some of these hills. That's what annoys me. It says no entry, don't go in. That's it. She's done well. I'll tell you what, we left at 4 o'clock this morning and it was absolutely tipping down for about 3.5 hours up here. Now look at it. Beautiful. There are some steep hills around here. Fair play to these boys that are going up them. On these hills you just got to keep going. Don't stop. Also, if you're trying to go forward and hold the clutch in, you're just going to rev it. Problem is, this bike disheartens Zoe. She feels like she can't do things, but she can. It's just that bike, a little bit too tall. It's like now, she's right with her foot on the left hand side, no chance on the right. Time for a different bike. Tell you what, ladies and gents, Wern Ddu Quarry so far is worth the money. 40 quid each. Look at this. She's having fun. Nice picnic bench at the top there.
That I'll never see.
Well, even if I didn't get up, the bike got most of the way. Just gotta give these things a go, yeah. Trial by error. These GoPros do not do these hills justice. Whee! Well, there we go, ladies and gents. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is the first time myself and Zoe have been to Wern Ddu Quarry in Wales. Definitely won't be the last time. Hopefully next time she'll be on the Beta X trainer and I'll be back on this. If you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more videos like this to come. But also we do road bikes as well. And definitely with the 2022 season coming, we've got plenty of bike reviews heading your way. Until the next video, ride safe.